this is how you can promote Digistore24 product. So after I make your video on how to make money with Digistore24, most people ask me, how do you actually promote products on Digistore24 in order to make this amount of money? So you cannot promote a product that you don't know. So here is the secret. What people are usually doing on Digistore24 is they purchase the product and make a review about that product. So as a beginner, go and look for a product that costs $10 to $17, purchase it, and then make a review about that product. So make a review and post it on YouTube. So for me, I purchase a product on Digistore24. Usually it's a digital product like a course or an ebook. Then I go through the course or the ebook and make a review about it. Then I post a video on my YouTube channel, and when people search for a review, they get my review, and then I recommend them to check or to purchase the ebook or the course through the link that I leave in the description of the video. So that's one of the ways, and it's really working. Another way is through TikTok, but YouTube is the best because it's searchable. So if you want to make money with Digistore, you have to purchase a product and make a review about that product, and then post it on YouTube for people to watch, and you can recommend it to purchase through your link. So follow, like this video if you find value, and you can always share. So in the next video, I'll show you how I actually do this on YouTube.